Hi guys, and welcome back to Auto Show Place. It's me again, Jesse. Hi, how you doing? I'm gonna show you a fresh arrival. This car's been already put through the paces. It's ready to go, ready for you to come in, drive, take home, and enjoy. What I'm gonna show you guys is a 2008 Lexus ES350. This car has roughly 103,000 kilometers on it. It is an accident-free vehicle. We have the car proof, go over the car proof, the UCDA report, a paint meter, and we'll verify the history of the vehicle in many ways. You can also take it to your own mechanic for a pre-purchase inspection. Xeon headlights, fog lights, nice alloy wheels, good Michelin rubber all around. Also on this car you have what I call true keyless entry. Never need to pull a key out of your pocket. You push the button, the door locks. You hold the handle, the doors will unlock. All you need to do is have this on your person and be in a certain area, and you can unlock and lock the doors without ever taking the key out of your pocket. You have power windows, power door locks, memory seating, heated, get this, heated and cooled seats on this car. You have a power tilt telescopic wheel, 6-disc CD changer, dual climate control, nice little wood grain throughout the vehicle, cruise control, ABS, traction control. This is a 3.5 V6 timing chain motor, so it's a very fuel efficient and durable motor. Little vents in the back there for your rear passengers for heat and AC. You also have nice dual tip exhaust back here. You don't even see dual tip in some of the 3 Series BMWs, but you got this in the entry-level Lexus ES350, as well as cooled seats. So remember guys, Auto Show Place, 4279 Steeles Avenue West, 416-661-3444, or visit us online, autoshowplace.ca. We've been here for 20 years. We've sold over 11,000 cars. Bring the car to your own mechanic for a pre-purchase inspection. Come on in, take advantage of our great deals. Look for me, it's Jesse. If you don't find me, someone here will take care of you, will help you out. Just come on in and purchase your vehicle from us. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.